What's up, guys? In this video coming up, you're going to see a $150 apartment. People have said they wanted to see prices and things within a range of $600 to $800 a month, if that's all they have to spend. And somebody specifically said they wanted to see an apartment in the $150 range, not on the ground floor, with as many amenities and furnishings as possible with a balcony. Those are actually quite common here. That's about the average price range for something like that. And luckily, my buddy Luke, he moved, I helped him, and that fits his apartment to a T. Everything you could want, and you'll be seeing that in just a minute. Also, be sure to stay till the end of the video to get details on my brand new YouTube channel and what that is all about. Now for some news. Cambodia has had its first community outbreak of COVID-19. An entire family tested positive in Phnom Penh, and the father of the family is a government official in some capacity or another. And so they had a lot of dealings between Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, back and forth, and all that. So, as a precaution, all public schools, all Khmer schools, are going to be closed until January. And private schools, international schools, are going to be closed for at least 2 weeks. They're also banning gatherings of more than 20 people in one place currently. And I've heard, although not confirmed, that there might be a mask mandate coming up. Like I said, that's unconfirmed, that's a rumor, but it's probably a good idea as a precaution anyway. So that's what's happening in town. I just wanted to get that information out to you. I know many of you are trying to decide, once the vaccines roll out and things like that, when you should come over. And you like to keep updated on that kind of thing. So, that's the update. That's what's happening. Like I said, stay tuned to the end of the video for my new YouTube channel. And I hope you like the $150 apartment. It's pretty nice, I think.
Oh, I love it.
And we'll let silently while I say hello. There we go. Of course, we're here in Samaki. We wanted to go to Sakharlan actually, but because they started the road construction project, and all the entrances there, all the roads leading to there from our side of the highway have all been blocked off. And the only other option is to go all the way around, and we decided it would just be better to hit the highway and come to Samaki. It's a good thing though, I'm not going to complain, because the area by Sakharlan, those roads really need a good fixing. They are terrible in some spots. So I'll be happy to see that done. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, a quick update before we continue. I know you're anxious to get to that apartment, but the vendors we were looking for at Samaki were closed. It is early in the afternoon, so that makes sense. So we came down here to Salu. Now this is the first time, as you can tell, it's pretty dead. But also, they are not allowing anybody inside unless you buy a mask or are wearing a mask. Now walking around, you notice that many of the vendors and other people are not wearing it, but I'm sure they had to before they could come in. That's the first time I've seen that here, and I was surprised it was at the biggest market in town. And by the way, that's not a complaint, but if you do live here and you're coming to Salu, bring a mask, or spend like 1,000 real or whatever, 25 cents to buy one. They have guards on all the aisles, and they will not allow you admittance unless you wear a mask. Just so you know. Alright, now on with the video, I promise. Alright guys, and here is the apartment that they moved into. Let me take you on a little tour. That's our nice tuk-tuk man. We do have to go up some steps, but that's alright. And here it is. So you do have one balcony out here on the main floor, looking down over the street down there. And now we walk inside. This is the main living area. It came with the couch. Pretty nice couch. Don't mind the mess. They just moved. We're just moving them in right now. So that's all their stuff. And we still have some more we got to go back and get. But it's a very spacious living room. Look at that, nice big windows. Really, really nice ceiling. Oops, a little out of focus. Oh well. Must be too dark up there. Let me get it back down. Then you have a hallway. And that leads to the bedroom. That's right, it's a separate bedroom. It's got two beds because Leap has her daughter. And then of course one for Luke and a Leap. They came furnished with all this, except for the stuff you saw on the floor. Everything else came with it. Again, nice big windows. Some heavy curtains if you want to close them. That's not going to show up. But there's a nice painting up there. The sun is not cooperating. It does have aircon, both out there and in the bedroom. Pretty nice, pretty big closet actually. The only thing he doesn't like, and this isn't really a deal breaker for me, but is the bathroom here is right inside the bedroom. Nothing you can really do about that. It is pretty nice though. Sink. Shelf up there. Mirror. Hot water. Little rack. Toilet, and of course, the bum gun, man's greatest invention. Really big bedroom. See if I can. I never know where lights are in these things. Oh, there we go. See it a little better. Oh, maybe there we go. Maybe you can see the painting a little bit better. It's pretty nice. Nice big bedroom, two beds. Oh. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Okay. That's a Leap's daughter. And here we have a kitchen. Really nice size. I mean, perfect size, really. You don't need nothing too big if you're only one person, two people. It has a lot of cabinets underneath. Drawers. Came with some dishes. Some more space up there. Of course, the sink. Came with a pretty big fridge. Lots of electrical outlets in here. Again, a window. Lots of light coming in here, which is good. And then you step out here and you have your own little private balcony. So you get two balconies. This one doesn't really look down on anything except the walkway down below there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, just that. But this is your own little private balcony. I guess if you went all the way over here, you'd have a better view of something. And it also comes with a washing machine. Yeah. And over there too. That would be for the other apartment. So.
Go to the roof. You can have barbecues if you want up there.
Oh, they have a rooftop access also.
You can see the whole city.
And you can see the whole city. So
let's go check that out. Let's walk up the stairs. I don't know if I'm allowed to be up here. I'm not renting, but... Oh, they mean way up. Oh my goodness. This is a lot of stairs. Oh, okay. Looks like there's only one apartment at the top floor. Door is open, so here we go. All right. Here it is. Get a rooftop area, and it looks like there's even another section up there. There's some stairs. I'm not going to go up there. I'm old, and we just helped move all that stuff. A lot of stairs today. We're here. You can see a nice view of the city here. Very nice. So yeah, that's what you can get here for $150. 1 month, for a month. Your electric and water will be separate. Keep that in mind. Now back down the stairs. At least we have gravity. And again, a reminder, I know I said this before, but these stairs like this are really nice. But if your shoes or feet or something are wet, they can be extremely slippery, so just take it easy. All right. And now we're back to the apartment. Say hello. Hello. Very good. Okay, so that's what you can get for $150. I know, like I said, somebody was asking if you only have $600 to $800 a month, what kind of apartment could you get? Could you get a nice place for $150? And of course, the answer is yes. This is great for a small family like they have. If you're alone, still not too big for you. Like I said, it's got lots of light, lots of room. And you get some pretty good views from the rooftop and from your balconies. So, there's a hostel across the street there. There's our bike right there. All right, talk to you guys later.
If you want to help support our work here and feel like donating, you can go to any of the links you see on the screen. There are also clickable links down below. And each donation is very, very much appreciated. A big thank you and shout out to all my supporters. It means a lot. Also down below are links to my social media, other people who are vlogging in Cambodia, and other things. Now coming up is a short preview video I made for my new channel called Sarcastic Skeptic. I actually have to edit these videos, and it's hard because I don't like editing. If you've seen any of the videos on this channel, you will know that to be true. But still, I make some mistakes. I know, but trust me, they will get better. If you're into what you see in the video coming up, be sure to click the link down below to get to my other channel and subscribe. And I also have one other video up there that I just uploaded last night. All right, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Do you like beer? Do you like cussing? Do you like seeing things on the screen? Conspiracy theories, UFOs, alternative medicines, religion, spirituality, psychics, Illuminati, astrology, and fortune telling debunked in a very sarcastic and hopefully funny way? If you do, then you have come to the right channel, my friends, because that's what we do. Now, I realize there are some of you who are not going to like having your favorite conspiracy theories blown apart. And you will hate me for it. You will tell me I'm not woke, that I am a sheep, that I am nothing. But I swear to you, that's actually not true. Because I am a moron, but I'm a moron with common sense. So if you'd like to see any of these things, be sure to subscribe to the channel now. My first video is coming soon, and you will be blown away, or hate it.